In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add more columns and statuses to your Jira Scrum board. By the end of this tutorial, you'll find it much easier to customize your workflow tailored to your team's needs, optimizing the way you track progress and manage tasks. Let's dive right in. First up, head over to your Jira Scrum board. This is where you can visualize your project's current statuses and columns, basically the pillars of your workflow. It's crucial that you're comfortable here, as everything we do will be right on this page. Now once you're on the Scrum board, you need to hover your mouse over the current columns. As soon as you do this, you'll notice a little plus button appearing. It's subtly tucked away to keep your board looking clean and organized until you're ready to make changes. Once you've found the plus button, go ahead and click it. This action initiates the creation of a new column, and that's where the magic starts. You're given the opportunity to name your column. Think about what aspect of your current workflow needs more nuanced tracking, or maybe there's a specific status that isn't quite covered yet. After you've decided on a meaningful name for your column, simply press enter to save it. And just like that, you'll see your newly created column appear on your board. Congratulations, you've successfully added a new dimension to your workflow. But we're not done yet. It's time to manage the way this column fits into the existing structure. You'll find on the right hand side of each column there's a set of 3 dots. Think of this as the gateway to managing each element of your board. Click on these dots and a series of options will appear. These options allow you to either move the column left or right, aligning it with where it belongs in your process flow, or if you've decided it wasn't quite the improvement you were hoping for, you can easily delete it. Utilizing these customizations effectively will give you the flexibility to design a workflow that better mirrors how your team actually operates. It's important to regularly refine your Scrum board to reflect any changes in work habits or project demands, and adding new columns or adjusting their order is a big part of that. In conclusion, mastering the addition and arrangement of columns on your Jira Scrum board can greatly enhance your team's ability to monitor and adjust the progress of your projects. I hope this tutorial has given you the confidence to make those adjustments on your own board, making your project management a more streamlined and informative process for everyone involved. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, keep optimizing.